Good evening. Now is 7:57 p.m. in Sydney, Australia time, night time. Good evening to you from Sydney. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I am going actually to show you another trade on the Bitcoin, because on Saturday and Sunday only I can trade crypto on our broker. This time I'm going to do 15 minutes time frame, but I don't know when I will be able to finish this video. As you can see, the time on the chart is 11:45, and I'm waiting for the software to give me the permission to buy the Bitcoin from this area. This is a buying zone. Again, if you watched my first video, you might say to me that is the price is over the 60 simple moving average, but I said before, under 60 moving average is a buying zone, over it is selling zone. Yes, I understand this, but I find this one in different time frame. In the past, this area is actually buying zone, and I'm waiting for the breeding. I mean, we are actually, the system we work, the pilot fish, we are going to catch the breeding, market going up, coming, diving, going breeding, coming down. So we are not waiting to hit the support to buy or to hit the resistance or something like that, no. So I don't know how long this video is going to take me to finish it, because if I don't receive the permission from the software to buy, I'm not going to buy. Even if it come and touch here, I will forget the trade. The system, my friend he developed, it's very accurate, not 100% again, but at the moment we feel comfortable to do that, and we do it. Every candlestick, it takes 15 minutes. Before I did the 5 minutes because I was trying to do it in front of you guys when I enter to the market, when I get out of the market. But 15 minutes time frame, God knows how long it's going to take. So I pause the video, and when I get the permission from the software to buy, then I come back and I show you. Still I am waiting for the signal from the software. When I get a signal, then I buy the Bitcoin from this area, to first taking profit here and then second taking profit there, if the software allow me. If around this area for some reason, red news or whatever, the software give us the permission to continue, I will. Otherwise no. And it says get out the market, then we get out of the market around this area. This pilot fish system that we use on this software, that we call it pilot fish. In the sea there is a fish which always follow the shark. They call them pilot fish. And for two reasons. First of all, it's to get the bite, and also to be safe from the other fish to attack them, because they are going to follow the shark. So in the market is exactly the same thing. We have to go follow the market maker, the big guys. We have to try to read their mind, what they are doing. It's impossible to read 100%, but we can actually see the footstep of them, and we enter similar time with them. That's they call it pilot fish. To do this, you have to have a patience. You just cannot enter to the market quickly, because you are under the buying zone and you have to buy it. We are going to buy the product, this Bitcoin, opposite when the market going to breed and come back. We are actually going to do that when market trying to go up to breed. So we follow the market maker to do this. This system works in any time frame, 30 minutes, 4 hours, Meta 4, Meta 5, anything, you know. At the moment I'm using MetaTrader 5 because with the gold and other product, you know, with MetaTrader 4 you have to actually enter with one contract, one lot, but with Meta 5 you can actually do 0.01 if you don't have a lot of money. But then again, any pair you choose to trade, make sure the asking and bidding price are very close, so you don't pay too much commission on this. We will wait, and I pause the video. I hope I can actually show you this system by very soon, because I mean if market goes all the way down and this video gets long, I don't know if I can actually upload it on the YouTube. So I pause it and I come back again. You might wondering what is this red line. This red line this morning, I mean when I'm saying this morning, it was about 12 p.m. in Australia time. I was trying to make the video. I think you can watch it on the YouTube. It's on the channel. That is for the CFD and crypto. I put a name for it. I put in the 5 minutes time frame. So that, then we enter to the market here and we get out of the market here. If you go and watch that video, just today I uploaded on Saturday 9 after 10. So this one was the trade I did on 5 minutes, but I decided to do it on the 15 minutes now to show you guys that this system works in any time frame. But in a time frame of 15 minutes, I don't know when the software would give me the permission to buy, but what I know is this, that I am in the buying zone because we are under this 2 green line, which I put it manually. It's not that the software did it. I find this area of the buying zone in the past, combination of the support and resistance and candlestick pattern and other things. So we choose that, and then when market going under it, we are waiting for the breeding time. You know, when market coming down, when it start going up to breed, then we go up with the market. When it's very difficult to say, just by watching, by looking at the pattern, yes, if possible. If you look at the chart a lot, then you learn some pattern which works over and over. That's it. That's how we do it. There is some pattern we tested for many years, and we find that pattern works when there is no red news in the market and market is calm. So that pattern, with combination of the support and resistance and candlestick pattern and other things, you know, it works. When you're looking at the chart, I have said this in other video before as well. Chart has got the alphabet, and you cannot only rely on the shape of the candlestick, because people, they put the name for different candlestick and then they rely only the shape of the candlestick. The candlestick shape is alright, but I mean, this is like, they call it doji and morning star, harumi, golfing, or whatever. Those name is okay, support and resistance is okay, but you cannot only rely on the shape of the candlestick or because it's support and resistance. Because as you can see, for example, here is resistance, here is support, market come down, and then for some reason market bounce back. You might say to me, okay, in the past there was another resistance support, that's why it hit and bounced back again. You're right, but that support and resistance actually merge with a pattern. So some pattern, when merged together, then it works. Sometimes no, and then market without any hesitation just pass through it. So as you can see, here is support. Why did market did not bounce back again and go through it? There is some reason behind it. Why stop here and go up? There is a reason. I know you say to me, because he hit another support and resistance in the back, in the past. But that is true, but need the combination with the, you see this one is a big resistance in the past. I know that, but why? My question was always is this. That was puzzle for me for many years. Why, if this is, I just put a color on it, different colors so you can see what I'm talking about. So put a white color. I know this is big resistance. With naked eyes you can see it. So this big resistance, why in this area this candlestick did not respect? Maybe you say to me it's a fake breakout, but why this level has not been actually respect and went up? It's because of the footstep of those sharks, the market makers. The market maker did not want to actually stop here. So that's why we say pirate fish system, They went up. It's not fake breakout. This is different with the pattern. So anyway, it's hard to explain, but we put all those patterns with support and resistance through the software, and it works for us so far. And hopefully, when we start selling, I shouldn't say selling, when I start sending the signal to the people through our Telegram group, if you like, you just do it as a demo account. Please do not rely on anyone's signal if you don't know what you're doing. Some company, they have very good signal. I understand that, I know that. But you have to pay membership to join them. Nobody give you free signal. Maybe, some they do, some they don't. But I'm not going to charge anyone for this signal we are going to send to the people. I'm trying to help people. At the moment, whole world, people need help. But if you don't have money, this is very risky. You never ever, please read this again, disclaimer. So don't do it because it's like a casino, you lose money. If you don't know how to trade, you better go to casino, put on the red and black. You have more chance than you sit in front of the computer and looking at the chart and trade without knowledge. We are going to help you guys to teach you. I don't see myself as a teacher. Again and again I have to repeat this one before. What I know is through the experience, because I'm doing this for a long time. And I spoke with my friend, he is my partner now. He actually developed this software because I show him some pattern. That pattern works again and again and again. So he put those patterns with support and resistance together, and with the volume, with all the other things, and then he come up with a very unique idea that not many people actually use that. So I stopped talking and I paused the video. Hopefully when I get the signal, and then I buy the Bitcoin only to this level or this level. This is first one and the second one. Normally when you touch here, then I get at the market. I'm not very greedy trader. Just see. Maybe without signal candlestick goes and touch here, then that trade would be cancelled. And if market comes back again, did not go above, back again to this area, then still there is a chance. If the software give me the permission, I would buy again to this area. But just imagine if it was here to buy, I would put the stop loss 10 pip around this area, and then we start buying it. So I pause the video and come back to you. Now I've got the permission to buy it. I'm going to buy. Let's put 10, and the profit would be around this area. The stop loss, we're going to put 10 pip around this area, and then we will wait just to see what's going to happen. I pause the video and I come back to it again. When we enter to the market here, we have a stop loss, we have our target taking profit, then you can go away, set and forget. But you cannot just leave the trade open without a stop loss, because if something happens and suddenly market goes all the way down, then you lose all your account. I can actually go away from the computer, and if I come back and for some reason I stop out, then I will wait for another signal to recover plus to buy, to get a profit. So I pause the video and I come back again. Now we are close to hit the target, first target. As you can see, the asking and bidding price are very close, and not like at the time the Ethereum Bitcoin Cash today we had problem, so he can actually close it manually like this, or we wait for the platform to close it. This video getting too long, and I have to close it now. I just close it because I want to finish, which gets too long. I'm waiting for maybe more than 2 hours, 3 hours, more than 2 hours. Anyway, it will go and hit here if it didn't even go back again. I had a stop loss here. I just did this video just to show you this works in any time frame, 15 minutes. Please, if you like, I'm going to put a Telegram group on this video. You'll find us on the Telegram, and I will send you the signal only, please, again and again and again, only for the educational purpose, and it's not require you to enter to the market. Do it on the demo account. Bit by bit, I'm going to pass the experience I have through all these years, looking at the charts, doing the trade in a demo account and real account, and then after that I am just passing all those experience with the technology, the software we have. Hopefully, you know, it would help you for your trading. Now it's too late for me to. It's about 5 to 9 o'clock Sydney time. So I hope I make myself clear for you what we are doing, and in future I'm going to put more video on this, and if you like it, you follow me on the Telegram, and I will send you free of the charge those signal, and then you try it on a demo account. So thank you for your time, and I hope you have a very wonderful night, day, or wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Yahoo.